Hi, and welcome to Time Travel Tuesday. It's wintertime here on the farm, and when you're not focusing on your crops like you are in the summer, there are a lot of other chores that need to get done. And one of those is restacking your fences, making sure that they're sturdy, and they're keeping things in that are supposed to be in, keeping things out that are supposed to be out.
Rail fences like these are very common for farms. They're going to be made with any hardwood, but generally insect-resistant hardwoods are going to be good. Cedar and especially black locust, which is what ours are made out of, are going to resist insects chewing through them and resist nature wearing them down over the years. And with this, you can keep a fence going for decades. It's a lot of sweat that goes into this, and it's a little more expensive than you would think, but they are good fences.
Each corner of our fence is set up on a rock. That gets it above the dirt and above the moisture so that the log is less likely to rot out. Sometimes, if it's been there a while, you have to dig for the rock, but this one's pretty close to the top. And once we're pretty clear, none of our logs are rotten, so we can restack it now. So that's a few sections of fence to go and a few miles left to take care of. Be sure and come out and see us on Saturdays in January. We've got lots of chores to take care of, and we'd love to see you here.